Hola, my name is Karolin and I'm the billing specialist at isolutions in our beautiful office in Barcelona. My journey at isolutions started right here back in November 2019 when I got invited for my very first interview. After several interviews and some pretty difficult questions during the assessment, I was so glad to hear that isolutions offered me to join their team in January 2020. You might think starting new in a company means 8 hours of trainings. Well, you're wrong. Already on day 3, I was sitting in a plane to Zurich for our annual event, the Snow Boot Camp, where I got to know my colleagues. Only 3 weeks later, I was again in a plane, but this time to Bern throughout 5 days as part of my onboarding. Back in Barcelona, and guess what? isolutions turned 20. So we got back to Zurich to celebrate this all together. It was such an incredible night, you can't imagine. Live music, flying dinner, and an amazing atmosphere. Little did I know that this was the last event. COVID-19 hit us hard in Spain, but isolutions made sure that my onboarding kept going remotely. I'm glad how we have been motivated here all these weeks. We had virtual events, we had little treats, which is part of the company's culture. So, what is the isolutions culture actually like? I can work from the office, I can work from home, I can work from the mountain, I can work in a park. Oh no, actually tomorrow I will work at the beach. So as you can see, trust plays a big role at isolutions. It's all about empowering people.
So Karolin, what would you tell to the Karolin that was about to start tomorrow, her first day at isolutions?
Well, Karolin, grab coffees for the next onboarding weeks, get your passport, and be ready for a fantastic journey together with your new colleagues.